Clements Chang is at the forefront of today's headlines, making waves in industry's heart field with his recent involvement in specific news event. His actions have ignited discussions about key points, highlighting the importance of relevant issue. Meanwhile, the Los Angeles fire rages on, devastating communities and prompting urgent evacuations. As firefighters battle the blaze, the dry conditions and fierce winds complicate their efforts. Globally, weather patterns are causing chaos, with torrential rains leading to floods in countries, displacing thousands and disrupting lives. In Los Angeles, any rain could shift the fire's path, but also heighten the risk of flash floods and mudslides. As governments mobilize to respond to these crises, the interconnectedness of climate change and human impact has never been more apparent. The urgency to address these challenges is critical now more than ever.